Yeah, so I'm back. It's been 2 weeks. Obviously, I had to focus on some personal stuff. I'm extremely sorry that I've been gone for this long. You know, it's not like me to do that. But today we're going to be learning how to make a calzone. I don't even know what a calzone is, but a calzone is what we're going to learn today. Basically, I've heard that it's a quite amazing piece of food. Today, joined by a special guest. Yeah, special guest, can you please sit up on top of me, please? Can you just fucking... She's a bit fat. Why you do this? So, yeah, we're today going to be learning how to make a calzone. I have no clue what this is. Let me put on my headphones. This woman here, she seems very interesting. So let's give it a go and learn how to make this calzone. Calzone. I don't know.
People, and I'm back cooking again today. And
she missed out hey people, it's just people.
today I'm making, it's either being called calzone or calzone.
See, the same issue I had. Yeah, choice is my...
And as you can see, I've...
What the fuck was that editing? Seriously, I swear to God. Wait, did that... No, that wasn't my computer, was it?
And as you can see, I've started putting some of the ingredients
And as you can see... What is this?
What I've done is I've put 4 cups of
Asda
bread
smart
flour,
price.
which is just normal cheap bread flour, 3 cups of water, and the cup I've been using is a small one.
You can tell she's British
This
by the way
one.
she says
If
water.
you use big ones, you'll end up going out of proportion, even though mine does. That
Yo,
is
what do you think of this?
70
So oh, she's behind my back. She don't want to know how to make calzone.
1,
What is this?
2.
My special guest is running about. It is currently on my back.
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar. Yeah.
Teaspoon of yeast. Now this yeast, even though it says Alison's yeast, you can get it from a supermarket.
Oh man, what is that?
But yes, I'm making this dough.
I know what it
And
is.
it's actually going
I don't want to see in the comments
I meant to
people
tell
telling me
you
what that is,
the
okay?
ingredients
I'm not going to be like the video if you know what this is. No.
Well, I'm going to make 2 today. 1 for my son.
Oh.
Mine's going to have cheese on it, and as you know, he can't
see.
have cheese.
Oh, I did not know that.
So, and I can.
Can you?
So there's
Oh.
going to be a bit of cheese on mine.
Just slap it right up.
As you can see.
That's it. Make that pizza.
Now,
So now
that
she's
to
rolled.
me is
What the fuck is that?
slightly round. It's a round shape-ish.
I'm looking really tired.
That just looks like a really bad circle. Yo, whoever taught this person that this was a circle is absolutely mad.
Now I am going to put some...
I love her laugh.
Cheese, this stuff, yeah. Tomato.
Yeah, that's a good cooking
Shut
show.
up.
This stuff.
I was just helping you out.
Good content. I
I'm
feel
going to spread that out.
this is like a very...
Oh, it does look nice.
Oh.
Like
What's she
lots of
done
our
to it?
videos. Just a bit. Oh dear, never mind.
What? I seriously, I don't know what to say about this. It's
But
looking
if you're
very...
going to have salami, you've got to taste it, haven't you?
I wanted to learn how to make a calzone. I said I wanted
You know this
YouTube
is gonna go
content,
horrible
and this is
wrong.
YouTube
When I
content.
lift it up, all the juice.
I am not a reactions channel. Shut up. What?
Oh, it's all greasy. Because I put it on a grease.
Man, that looks like a piece of shit. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, it's stuck to the pan and everything. Oh. Shit. Ah!
Oh, like I said, they lost me out my little Oompa
It's
all wrong. I knew it.
At least, at least she's laughing about her mess. Oh no, she's just stuck into the
Oh
wall.
my word, I'm not going back to the start again.
Wait, I'm really confused. So is it a pizza or not? What the fuck is that? Yo, hold on. Is it calzone a pizza? Can you shut up, yeah? Hold on. What is it? Calzone. Wikipedia. Italian oven-baked pizza. Folded pizza. Okay, so it is essentially a pizza. Oh, right. Right, okay, so calzone. Calzone.
Oh.
Oh,
look
no,
at the
what's
mess
going
I'm
on?
making. on my cooker. I can't even see what mine's on.
She's ruined it. Oh man, it's just a fucking mess. It's just everywhere.
Yeah.
At least the other one was preheated though. I've had to put my special guest away because obviously she doesn't understand. Mate, this looks Tesco.
The oven. Now I'm just gonna stab them.
I don't know why I find this rank.
Just to make sure the... Just had confirmation from my cameraman that my memory card in the camcorder is flashing. So, like I said, it's in for 10 minutes. I can't show you the end product because it's, well, like I said, it's flashing.
Okay, but why can't you show me... just save some of the footage now. Stop the talking. Cut it down. Show me the calzone after it's done.
So I hope...
Better yet, just delete some of the footage.
You've enjoyed what you've seen. I hope you enjoyed the laugh so much. If you have, keep giving me and give me a big old thumbs up if you want me to make something. I don't care whether you want me to make it or just do it. I will cook it.
She's gonna cook it.
We've had a laugh. Get subscribing. Okay, thank you. Bye.
I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. Peak YouTube content. Yo, guys, if you want to see me make a calzone, 800 likes. If we don't get 800 likes, I will not make calzone. I am not a cooking channel. Neither am I a bloody commentary channel. Sort of. But I'm not a reaction channel. Okay? When you look at my wiki that someone decided to make, okay? Thank you very much. Yeah, it says I was a reaction channel. That's been swiftly changed because I did say it on the stream. So thank you for that swift turnaround. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I know that I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. Don't kill me. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this or anything, or if you want to see me make a fucking calzone, 800 likes for a calzone, subscribe, like, maybe comment if you want. This video can get more than 75 likes. If it does, yo, I will personally give you all a free Pokemon. My special guest isn't here to say goodbye, so I'll leave that one out, alright? Goodbye, Merry Christmas.